Welcome back, everyone. It's Ed again from Mr. C's Automart, showing you a really, really nice 2015 Malibu. This is a one-owner car. It's got a certified CARFAX history, no accidents. It's a 4-cylinder Ecotech, so it gets 39 miles per gallon. I'm going to close the hood. This is dark gray metallic, Nighthawk gray. It's got 5-spoke aluminum wheels, chrome surround trim on the windows. It's got passive entry system with the button. It's got a temporary but nice trunk size, a temporary but sizable spare, and the Nighthawk gray color is outstanding. We just got this car. We only have left to do is to buff it out, but it doesn't need too much. But it's got advanced features like Apple and Android CarPlay. The back seat, when we go to it, is very spacious. It's got a center armrest. Very comfortable car, great on gas. So both seats, driver and passenger, have a height adjustment. As we come into the car, okay, you see the mileage is 144. It's got a vehicle information center, digital odometer, trip functions. It's got Bluetooth, vehicle information center, and cruise. And the radio is the Chevy My Link. It's got a rear backup camera with lane guidance. There's your automatic climate controls. There's your USB port. And there's your passenger seat. See, it's really a nice condition, and it's OnStar capable, but it has Apple and Android CarPlay. So the next owner has the ability to link his phone. I'm linking mine now with navigation. Of course, you can expand the distance. It'll bring you up your phone contacts. Has Amazon Music and lots of other functions. So that's for Apple, this application, and Android also. So we would invite you to come by and take a look. You can visit MrC'sAutomart.com for more information, or call me directly. My name is Ed at 708-473-2014. Thanks.